Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a limited palette and testing opacity on scrap. Use heavy paper or board and secure edges so your layers stay flat. Once chosen, mix small amounts of poster color with matte medium for smoother application. Add water sparingly to avoid cracking. You then block in base tones with flat brushes, covering large shapes first so you can judge value and hue. Make sure to label mixes and keep contrast strong. This sets the foundation for crisp. You continue by refining shapes. Block in shadows with a slightly darker mix and glaze midtones to smooth transitions. Once dry, reinforce line work, either with a fine brush or with ink over sealed paint, so edges read clearly. Make sure to thin subsequent layers. Poster color sits on top, so thin washes prevent muddying. You'll alternate fast drying layers and brief sanding of tiny bumps if needed. By keeping brushes clean and using directional strokes, you preserve crisp edges essential to anime aesthetics. You finish by adding sharp highlights and reflective dots to convey form and material. Use opaque white sparingly for punch. Once every detail is set, allow the work to fully cure for 1 day or 2, then apply a thin satin varnish to unify sheen and protect layers. If something goes wrong, gently lift mistakes with a damp, soft brush while paint is still tacky, or wait for cure and repaint small sections. Stay patient. Controlled fixes preserve the flat, graphic look anime demands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.